The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires an equipotential grid for hot tubs that are not permanently installed in or on the ground, as stated in Section 680.43c. Section 680.26 addresses electrical requirements for spas and hot tubs but doesn't specifically cover the equipotential grid requirement for those that are not permanently installed. Section 680.43 covers the requirements for hot tubs that are not permanently installed. Subsection C of the section states a permanent, non-current carrying equipotential grid shall be installed to bond together all pool and spa elements within the installation. The equipotential grid shall be connected to the equipment grounding conductor, making certain that the connection is accessible for inspection, and shall be located where it is not subject to freezing. When installing equipotential grids for freestanding hot tubs, installers typically follow these steps. Firstly, use insulated copper wire. Use 8 AWG insulated copper wire for the equipotential grid. Secondly, attach copper wire to a ground rod. Connect the copper wire to a ground rod or another approved grounding electrode. Thirdly, bond hot tub elements. Connect the copper wire to all metallic components of the hot tub, such as the frame, shell, and pump. Fourthly, secure the wire. Secure the copper wire in a way that prevents it from moving or becoming damaged. Fifthly, document the installation. Take pictures and keep records of the equipotential grid installation for future reference.